Say hello to Adam's Leaf, the urinal screen of the future. Engineered to prevent backsplash, Adam's Leaf keeps restrooms clean and comfortable. Its innovative design eliminates odors from residual urine without relying on obnoxious scents and harmful chemicals. Made from recycled materials and 100% biodegradable, Adam's Leaf is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional urinal screens. It's also cost-effective with a 3 to 5 year service life. For more hygienic facilities, switch to Adam's Leaf today. Learn more at adamsleaf.com.